Welcome back, Rico Money Bags, the channel helping you invest in yourself so you guys can invest in your future. Today, we're going to be talking about the new website from PMPY, the latest and greatest on their X page, and do some price prediction and technical analysis at the end of the video. If you guys can, go ahead and check them out at PrometheuMProdigy.org. And let's make sure that we're giving them a follow at Prometheum PMPY. Make sure the bell notification is lit. Like that, you guys can stay on top of everything that's going on with PMPY. We also have some news right here. This is not that they're listed on gate.io, but this is in Spanish actually. Como comprar. So hashtag Latino, Latina, whatever, some Spanish culture inside the PMPY community. But we can see this could be a glimpse into the future. We don't know. And we can see that also by this tweet right here from the page. Bitmart is showing us the near future. Make sure you take advantage of the trading at Bitmart Exchange. We see it at 5 cents. We'll talk about the prices over here. We're sitting right underneath 2 cents on the DeFi side. But let's talk about this website, right? Let's get into this refresh website, talk about how close we are to some new things, and let's get this started. So we got Prometheum Prodigy, aims to enhance scalability, transaction speed, and security within Ethereum's ecosystem while leveraging cybersecurity and artificial intelligence, AI, technologies to ensure network safety and improve in the performance. So, overall transaction speeds. So let's go ahead and scroll down. Yeah, this website looks really nice. Whoever did it is really nice. So we got enhanced Ethereum scalability, intelligent and secure, advanced crypto ecosystem, contract optimized. So let's keep going. We got the PMPY token. That's the ticker. Of course, I'm going to have all these official links down below. I'll also have a link for the Moneybags Mansion AMA Telegram that you guys can tap in. I do some videos on PMPY and they get posted in there. So if you guys want to show your support for PMPY, go ahead and smack some emojis on that video when I post it up or whatnot. But let's go ahead and continue. So this is the Prodigy flip. This is something that we've been hearing a lot as far as their X page goes. So we got Prodigy Flip. Prodigy Flip crypto trading mobile app is set to revolutionize the cryptocurrency trader investment in crypto. So the way cryptocurrency traders invest in crypto. With its decentralized multi-chain exchange, traders will have access to a secure platform where their assets are fully protected within the Prodigy Flip's DeFi wallet. Additionally, the app offers state-of-the-art AI analytic tools enabling traders to make informed decisions. The inclusion of Prodigy AI robotic algorithmic trading assistant bot further enhances the trading experience, providing users with the valuable assistance and support experience the future of crypto trading with Prodigy Flip. Now that's something that we're going to have to do together, right? We got this channel, we got other great channels like Pablo Crow's channel, and people, pushing education, helping people get educated. But this is going to help out, especially if we expect mass adoption. This is going to help out tremendously with people that don't understand a lot of the trading that goes on inside of crypto, let alone understanding blockchains and everything like that. Now we know we got this bullish exposure with the Bitcoin ETF. So this is going to be a lot more retail investors stepping in, and they're going to have a lot to digest. And Prodigy Flip can take that position to make that a lot easier for these normies, the 95%, to transition into the DeFi space. So Prodigy Stake, our secure and dependable platform, enables projects to offer attractive annual percentage rates, APR, as rewards to their investors and holders. Prodigy Chain. Prometheum Prodigy is a layer 2 blockchain platform built on top of the Ethereum network. Prodigy AI integrations. With AI integrations, smart contracts can be executed more intelligently, enabling advanced data analysis and optimization. Right here we have the tokenomics. So they're broken down as follow. We got token allocated for the public sale, 93, 5% for development and marketing funding, and 2% return to the holders. What's nice about this is that this team has been fulfilling what they say they're gonna do time and time again. Say what you mean and mean what you say, and they have been doing that. We have to be honest with, they're staying in motion. I've been saying this on the channel. Slow motion is better than no motion, and we're gonna see that these returns to the holders are starting to add up, because we've just been consolidating. As a team continues to deliver, more and more people are going to feel more bullish on this, and we're going to push up to the top side. So we got this roadmap. It's been updated. We got we're already in this phase right here, the first quarter. So paid marketing, exchange listings, contract audit application, 5,000 holders. We'll talk about the holders in just a bit, so stay tuned. Make sure you guys watch the video to the end. That'll help YouTube push these videos out to new potential investors, people watching YouTube that are interested in crypto, maybe haven't heard of PMPY, and will, if you guys watch this video, like, subscribe, and use the links down below. So we got media engagement, Prodigy stake. This is what we're looking forward to. These are going to be the next step. So paid marketing, exchange listings. We see some kind of, you can almost say, glimpse into the future with the gate.io, you know, because this is a how to buy on gate.io in Spanish. So that's pretty interesting. Looking over at the prices, we can see we're sitting right underneath that 2 cents, that consolidation. We'll break this down in a sec, but let's go ahead and continue with this roadmap and what else we have. So next would be the partners, where you can buy this on what dexes and whatnot like that. Go ahead and scroll down. So scroll down a little bit more. So we got 1.2 holders, 11,000 transfers, but we got 1.2, yeah, we got 1,300 holders. I thought I saw 1,300. So we got 1,300 holders and the price holding up. So that's telling you that we're getting this new floor, right? Some people taking profits, some people trading, but at the end of the day, we're consolidating to the right, and you don't want to miss out on this train when it fully takes off, because they have been delivering back to back, and we're seeing that holder count climb little by little. So we're sitting at $11.5 million market cap. If you're bullish on PMPY, leave some bullish comments down below, share this video, tap into the Money Bags Mansion down below. But let's go ahead and see what else we got right here. We got facts. So on which exchanges can we buy? Buy on Uniswap, 1inch, Coinbase, DeFi Wallet, Shapeshift, and the graph. So next we have, how can I buy the PMPY token? Maybe we'll do a how to buy video on how to exactly buy the PMPY. I'm sure there's one out there. So we have this. What else do we have? Scroll up a little bit, my bad. So to buy the PMPY token, you need a compatible cryptocurrency wallet, transfer funds to it, and you guys know the rest. You guys can use one that has, you know, a Chrome extension right there, or you guys can just use one off your phone or whatnot. Let's go ahead and see what else we got. This is the contract address. I will have all this information in the description down below. So if you're new to the channel, if you're new to PMPY and you want to tap in, this is going to be their official contract address. It's going to start 1123. So that's pretty easy to remember. All right, so next we have, there's no minimum purchase, and can you transfer? Of course, you can transfer any wallet that accepts ERC20 tokens, okay, which is almost all of them. So right now, let's go ahead and talk about this channel that we kind of traded in, right? That's just what happened. And let's just be transparent. This is what we happened. We found support right there, and now we're climbing, and the team is fulfilling all the things that they said. And I know that the app is being built out. I'm sure you guys watched the Pablo Crow video talking about the partnerships that we've made to get the app built out. So we got some serious players in the mix as far as that goes for the app to be built out. And we can see that we're climbing back towards all-time highs, and we're going to keep doing this. This is a $1 billion project. Easily we'll see this in $100 million projects. And as confidence continues to build with this project, as holders continue to build, I mean, imagine we're only sitting at 1.3K holders, so 1,300 holders, with a project that has this type of community, these type of teams, fulfilling all their goals, making sure they're checking everything off the list as far as the roadmap going, and holding these prices up. It's going to get more and more bullish. And with Bitcoin ETFs, the overall market is kind of set for something like PMPY to exist, to help new retail investors come in and understand things like this, that sometimes it's hard to digest. So we're holding on to these prices. We held on to above the cents. That's basically that new 0 point. Make sure you guys hold on to that. And we're not that far away from getting above that 2 cents mark. We have that teaser from the Bitmart exchange as far as showing us what could happen. So do you want to wait till, you know, consolidation this, consolidation that, or do you want to get in before it takes off? And yeah, it's all fun and games to, you know, trade and practice how to understand support and resistance. But, you know, right now it's a time where you want to start to set up your long-term projects, your meme projects, your blue chip projects, your future blue chip projects, you know, talking about something with PMPY's blockchain powered by AI in the future. You know, this is where you start to align yourself before the bull market kicks in. Don't be one of those guys or ladies that wait till Bitcoin sitting at 69,000 to say, okay, it's back now. We don't care that, you know, the ETF launch didn't go that good. No matter what, we have the Bitcoin halving coming up, and we stay to our official roadmap as crypto enthusiasts. Whatever comes on the side of it, that's a plus. But if it doesn't happen, no matter what, crypto is going to keep pushing, and so are projects like Prometheum Prodigy, whatever is going out in the world, we're still going to keep pushing, and we'll see that every Bitcoin halving is going to be something substantial for us. So like, subscribe, help me get these videos out. Let's see what else we got right here. We got lowering the supply. So they have burned another 10,000. Like I said, keeping their word. This is conviction right here. The community members will want to push this out more. Big shout out to Pablo Crow. Let him know I said what's up. We got this right here. So this says this is the most important tweet you have right now. So let's cover this, right? Let's just jump into this. If this is the most important, we got exciting times ahead. By the end of January, the crypto world will finally unveil the incredible offerings that Prometheum Prodigy brings to the table. Stay tuned for a game-changing revolution that will reshape the industry. So let's go ahead and like and retweet this. Let's push this out. Let's engage with this as a community. Like, I'm going to ask for this community to engage with this video and also with the X post. You guys know I post a video and then I post an X post to make sure that we're getting a lot of engagement on. Make sure you guys go check out Jazz. Makes great videos as well. I've been checking out his YouTube channel. So make sure you guys go over there and check that YouTube channel out. Give him a like, subscribe, and whatnot like that. So we got, but like I was saying, make sure you guys stay tapped in. Also with the X posts that I do after my videos, I post a YouTube video and then I tap in with everybody on X. So we're pushing forward on all social media platforms. Exciting news, our AI interface website is now live. That's the one we checked out. Let's like and retweet that. Let's get this to 1,000 likes. Let's get this to, at least 200 retweets. We can push really hard on this. We have the community for this. So revolutionizing the way we interact with technology, discover the power of cutting edge artificial intelligence, and experience the whole new level of efficiency and convenience. So this is PMPY right now, laying their stamp right now. And like I said, this is not an official listing, but we could manifest something like this. Something like this could happen. Do you want to wait till this to happen and then buy in, or do you want to see that this team has been, doing what they're saying they're going to do, providing nonstop back to back, and then wait for them? Or you want to do it now? You got to kind of read in between the lines and see that they've been keeping their word as far as everything being built out. So layer 2 AI mobile application. Like, subscribe, share the video, follow them at Prometheum PMPY, put the bell notification on, share the video. If you guys can't do that, continue to come back and experience the abundance of money with me. Until next time, you guys know what it is.